Hi, it's Darnell at Whale of Recipes. Today I'm going to cook up some waffle fries in the Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360 XL so we can see how it does air frying some waffle fries homemade right now. Alright, so what I have here for my waffle fries, I've got like 2 medium potatoes that I've basically cleaned off and skinned. I've got just some regular table salt and some canola oil. Also have my mandoline here for making my waffle slice cuts. And so basically just going to take the mandoline and just start making my cuts. You just basically with this mandoline just slide down and then you turn it a quarter and you slide again and you've got a waffle. You can turn it another quarter and you get another waffle and just keep going like that. And I've also got on some cutting safety gloves, you might notice, to protect the hand so that, Lord willing, I don't cut myself while I'm slicing these on the mandolin, because it's real easy to slide down and possibly mess your hand up. So just going to continue cutting till I get all my waffle fries made. Alright, so got them all cut up, just getting these put over into the bowl. Alright, so now that I've got them all sliced up, I'm going to start preheating the Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360 XL. Got it on air fry. Going to take the temp down to 375 and going to adjust the cooking time to, I'm going to do like, I'm probably going to need 20, but I'm going to set it to 25, but I'll probably need just 20. But going to hit start with that. While it's preheating, going to get some oil on these fries. Just douse them good in oil. Get them mixed up in the oil. And I've got myself 2 crisper trays out in case I need more than one for all of these fries. And now that I've got them mixed up good with the oil, just going to go ahead and sprinkle some salt on them. Just get them covered good in some salt. And you can use, if you want to use a special type of salt, that's up to you. I'm just using regular old table salt for these here. Just get them mixed up and sprinkle some more on them. Make sure they're good and covered in oil and salt for the flavor. I would not recommend using any like olive oil for fries unless you've had olive oil with fries and you like that. I personally think that the flavor of olive oil with fries is less than tasty, I'll say that. Canola oil, vegetable type of oil, tastes, I guess, much more common to what you're used to having when you have like some fries. Usually they're not being made in a olive oil, so that flavor profile I think would probably throw most people off unless it's something that you prefer personally. But just going to basically get the rest of my waffle fries all laid out on a crisper tray, and I think I'm definitely going to need 2 because I can tell from what's going on here, one isn't going to cut it. I don't believe that I will need anything underneath the crisper trays to catch drippings. There shouldn't be very much in the way of drippings during this cook. I mean, the oil will cause some dripping, but there won't be anything, I don't believe, major excessive in terms of the drippings coming from the crisper trays. So it looks like we're just about done getting these laid out, and 2 crisper trays is definitely suitable. So basically a crisper tray per potato. And so we've got things all set out. Let things finish preheating and then we'll get them in. Alright, preheating's done. Hit pause, turn back to my original 25 minutes. Got some here I'm going to put on this middle rack. I'm going to take these others, put them on a rack just above it, which is the highest rack level. I'm going to go ahead and hit start. Let things cook for a while. I'll bring you back in a bit. Alright, these waffle fries have been going for 10 minutes now. what I'm going to do, I'm going to get ready to hit pause as soon as it gets down to 15 minutes left, so I know that even 10 minutes have passed. And I'm going to do the old swap and spin of the crisper trays. So pulling these out and spin those around the way I'm going to put them in. Take these out, spin them around, move them up top, stick those in there deep, and take these and put these down here. I'm going to go ahead and hit start with that. We'll give these maybe about another 10 minutes, maybe less. Going to keep an eye on things, and I'll bring you back. Alright, just another 5 minutes to pass, so basically 15 minutes total, and things are looking like they're already done in there. So I'm just going to stop here as soon as it gets to an even 10 minutes, because I know that'll be a full 15-minute cook. Just hitting cancel to stop things. And so things went even faster than I expected, but here are our finished waffle fries, and they look, you know, pretty done. So I'm going to take the waffle fries on out and just set them over here on these baking pans I was using to help with prep. And we'll just slide these over for easier viewing for you, for your viewing pleasure. Turn these like this here. So there we have our completed waffle fries. Now I'm just going to go ahead and grab maybe one or two to use for some taste testing. They look like they're, I guess the oil is helping to keep them from getting too stuck into the crisper trays. So they're coming up easy. So let's get this one here too. So there we have our waffle fries. Let's do a taste test. So here are our waffle fries, homemade. Let's do a taste of one. So here we go. Very good, very fast, faster than I expected. And so, you know, that turned out really good, just 15 minutes. I've done it in some others, it takes maybe 20 at the same temperature. So you can do some homemade waffle fries real fast using the Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360 XL. I'll have this recipe in the video description, also a link to a printable version. You can also find more recipes like this on my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can always come to this YouTube channel by going to waveovenrecipes.com. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at waveovenrecipes. And you can also find in the video description other ways to help this channel, like there's a referral link to the smaller version of this cooker, also to my Amazon shop. And so you can do that also. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and good eating.